Hi everyone, in this video we will be tackling some CPC exam practice questions that focus on pathology and laboratory topic. Let's start with the first question. Read the question. Which statement is true regarding coding of surgical pathology specimens? Option A. Two specimens requiring individual examination and pathologic diagnosis are coded separately. Option B. Two specimens from same patient can be coded separately. Option C. Two specimens from the same organ in a patient should always be coded as one specimen. Option D. Regardless of the location, all specimens from one patient should be coded as one specimen. And the right answer is option A. Two specimens requiring individual examination and pathologic diagnosis are coded separately. Next question. A 30-year-old female is coming in for a routine gynecological exam. A pap smear is taken from the cervix and the screening is done by an automated system under physician supervision. What lab code should the physician report? Check option A, 88164, that is for cytopathology slides, cervical or vaginal, manual screening under physician supervision. Check option B, 88174, that is for cytopathology, cervical or vaginal, collected in preservative fluid, automated thin layer preparation, screening by automated system under physician supervision. Check option C, 88147, that is for cytopathology smears, cervical or vaginal, screening by automated system under physician supervision. And option D, 88148 is for cytopathology smears, screening by automated system with manual rescreening under physician supervision. So which among these codes is the right answer? If you choose option C, 88147, then you are absolutely right, because the code 88147 correctly reports the smear cytopathology, right? That is cytopathology smears, cervical or vaginal. And in this scenario, pap smear is taken from the cervix and screening is done by automated system under physician supervision. So the right answer is 88147. We'll eliminate option A, 88164, because that is for cytopathology slides, cervical or vaginal, and manual screening under physician supervision. But in the scenario, there is pap smear and screening is done by automated system. So eliminate option A. We'll eliminate option B, 88174, because that is for cytopathology, cervical or vaginal, collected in preservative fluid. In the scenario, they have not mentioned collection in preservative fluid or automated thin layer preparation. So eliminate option B. Option C is the right answer. Eliminate option D, because that is for screening by automated system with manual rescreening. In this scenario, they have not mentioned manual rescreening. So eliminate option D. Let us solve the next question. Read the question. Dr. Michelle orders a fibrin degradation test to evaluate for possible DVT. The correct laboratory code is, check option A, 85362. 85362 is for fibrinogen degradation, split products, agglutination slide, semi-quantitative. But in the scenario, they have mentioned fibrin degradation to evaluate for possible DVT. It is not fibrinogen degradation, split products. So eliminate option A. Coming to option B, 85378, which is for fibrin degradation products, D-dimer, qualitative or semi-quantitative. And also check option C, fibrin degradation products, D-dimer, quantitative. And in option D, 85380, they have mentioned ultra-sensitive for evaluation of venous thromboembolism, qualitative or semi-quantitative. In this scenario, they have mentioned fibrin degradation test to evaluate possible DVT. So what is DVT? Deep vein thrombosis. Deep vein thrombosis refers to venous thromboembolism, which is mentioned in 85380, evaluation of venous thromboembolism. So the appropriate code will be 85380. We'll eliminate option B and C. I hope you are clear with it. The code 85380 correctly reports testing for a possible deep vein thrombosis, that is venous thromboembolism. Next question. An embryologist is performing a conventional in vitro insemination of oocytes and assisting in the fertilization of 4 oocytes under micro technique for an infertile couple using ART. The services of embryologist are coded as option A 89268 is for insemination of oocytes. In this scenario, they have mentioned insemination of oocytes. And the second code in option A 89280 is for assisted oocyte fertilization micro technique less than or equal to 10 oocytes. In the scenario, you can see they have mentioned insemination of oocytes, right? So that is matching with the code 89268. And they have mentioned fertilization of 4 oocytes under micro technique. So that is matching with the code 89280 assisted oocyte fertilization micro technique less than or equal to 10 oocytes. So here they have mentioned 4 oocytes. So we can use the code 89280. The right answer is option A. In option B, they have mentioned 58321, which is for artificial insemination intracervical, and 89251, which is for culture of oocytes with co-culture of oocyte or embryos. In this scenario, they have not mentioned co-culture of oocytes, right? They have mentioned insemination of oocytes. So, we'll eliminate option B. Coming to option C, that is for artificial insemination intrauterine, and 89281 is for assisted oocyte fertilization greater than 10 oocytes, but in this scenario they have mentioned 4 oocytes. So we cannot use 89281, and also 58322 is wrong. So eliminate option C. Coming to option D, 89260, that is for sperm isolation simple prep. So we cannot code 89260. If you find this content helpful, please show your support by liking, sharing and subscribing to my channel CodeMed Mastery. Your support helps me create more useful content. Read this question. A pathologist performs a comprehensive consultation and report after reviewing a patient's records and specimens from another facility. The correct CPT code is, check option A 88325, which is for consultation comprehensive with review of records and specimens with report on referred material. In the scenario, they have mentioned comprehensive consultation and report after reviewing a patient's records. So it is exactly matching with the code 88325. Okay. So 88325 is the right code. We'll keep this option for now. Check option B 99244. 99244 is an evaluation and management code that is for office or other outpatient consultation for new or established patient, moderate level of MDM. But remember that we should not report evaluation and management codes in pathology chapter. So directly eliminate option B. Coming to option C 88323, that is for consultation and report on referred material requiring preparation of slides. In this scenario, they have not mentioned requiring preparation of slides. Okay, in this scenario, there is review of records and specimens from another facility. So we cannot code 88323. Eliminate option C. And option D 88329, that is for pathology consultation during surgery. That is also not matching with the scenario, so eliminate option D. The right answer is option A. Thank you for watching today's video. In our next video, we'll delve into more CPC exam practice questions specifically related to the pathology and laboratory chapter. So stay tuned.